Good morning, students. How are you all? Are you okay? Are you interested in mathematics? Or are you tired of studying mathematics? Do you like the subject? Do you enjoy? Yes. If you love the teacher, you will study the subject. Okay? Yeah. Before we start our class, as usual, let us invite God into our midst. Let us close our eyes and pray for His blessing. Today we are going to learn a new topic. What were we learning? About polygons. Okay. The other day I had given you some problems. I hope you have done the fifth problem as a homework. Then now we are going to see the last topic of this particular chapter, polygons. Okay, that is regular polygon. Okay, regular polygon. What do you understand by regular? There is some regularity in that, yes or no? We are asking, sometimes we speak, he is very regular in the school. She is very regular in the school. Which means what? There is some order, right? Okay, there is some, when we speak in the matter of a student, he is a regular student, means that student is very disciplined, very well orderly. Okay, then we speak. Now, what is the matter when we speak about regular polygon? What is polygon, you know? Okay? Yeah. Now, when we speak about regular polygon, what is regular polygon? Okay, let us see. Now, the more than three sides, if it has, we call it as polygon, triangle. That is three-sided polygon. If there are four sides, that is a quadrilateral. If there are five sides, it is a pentagon, and so on. Okay. Now let's see a triangle. Okay, a triangle with different angles. Okay, different angles and different sides. Okay, here the angle may be different. All these angles are different. Okay, total how much supposed to be? It has to be 180. Okay. Now another triangle I am going to draw here. Okay. The sides are different. The angles are different. Okay. Now I am going to draw another triangle here. All the sides are same, right? All with the 5 centimeter. And the angles. Now we have studied in first chapter equal triangles. Do you remember? If all the sides are same, then their angles are also same. Or if the angles are same. Okay, now we say equilateral triangle. Do you remember what is equilateral triangle? All the three sides, the angles, all the three sides, it will be same. Then how much it will be? Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is how much? How much it is? 180 degree. Okay, if it is 180 and if it's supposed to be equal, how much is each triangle, each angle? 60 each. Okay, so we get 360 into 180. So according to the chapter 1 we established, if all the angles are same, then the sides opposite to each angle also will be the same. We have studied in first chapter. I am not going to repeat. So we know here angles are also same, the sides are also same. Okay. So here we saw consider this particular triangle. Now let's go to another polygon which has 4 sides. Now we consider the polygon with the 3 sides. Here we saw there are also triangle with a different angle and different sides. Okay, but here we saw the triangle with the same sides and with the same angle, that is equilateral triangle. Now let's see a polygon with 4 sides. Okay, 4 sides. What is it? It's a square. Square with 5 centimeter. Square means we know that all the 4 sides are same, right? Okay, all the 4 sides are same. Then what is their angle? Angle is always 90 degree. What is the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral? What is the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral? 360. So what should be one angle? It is 90. Here also it is 90. All the sides it is 90 degree. Okay. Now we have here 4 sides are same and 4 angles are also same. Now what we can draw 4 sides, another quadrilateral. We can draw another quadrilateral here. This is also 4 sides. What is it? What is it? What type of quadrilateral it is? It is a, what is it? It is a rectangle. Okay, it's a rectangle. What is special about rectangle? 2 sides, opposite sides are equal. Okay. Okay. Now what is their angle? Angle here, angle is the same, that is 90 degree. Alright. Okay, now here we know the angle is the same, but whereas the side is different. Different sides with the same angles. Different quadrilateral we got. Now we have another quadrilateral. Let us consider. What is it? What is it? It is a parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram also let us give. But again, is it the same angle? It is not the same. Okay, if it is 60 here also it will be 60. Then how much it will be here? 120. Here it is 120. Okay, so that is a quadrilateral. Sorry, this is a quadrilateral, that is a parallelogram. What is special about this one? This has all the 4 sides same, but is the angle same? Angles are different. So we saw here a quadrilateral and there is a triangle, and if we take a pentagon which has 5 sides, and also we can have with equal sides and equal angles, or with only with equal sides but different angles, or with the same angle and different sides. Okay, different way. So here all we have here there is a quadrilateral with equal sides and equal angle. Here we have a triangle with equal sides and with equal angle. Such type of polygons are known as regular polygon. You understand? The polygons which has equal sides and equal angles. Okay, whatever may be the polygon, it can be a triangle, it can be a quadrilateral, it can be a pentagon, hexagon, whatsoever may be. But if it has equal sides and equal angles, then it is known as regular polygon.